Hi, okay, so I'm just going to do a quick video showing you how to make pocket letter envelopes using your envelope punch board. So the pocket letter that I'm working on is an advent calendar pocket letter for a swap that I'm doing. And I'm going to be using the Santa's Workshop. No, not for this paper. I hope that's what it's called. It's from the Santa's Workshop Suite by Stampin' Up! Anyhow, so this is the paper, the designer series paper, and you can see it actually has like a velvety texture on some of it. It's like the snowflakes and the stripes and stuff, which I thought was really fun, especially to use it for envelopes that they're going to be pulling out of pockets. There's some more of the paper and this one here. I'm doing a video, bud.
A video.
I'm doing a video.
Look,
Do you want to say hello to the people?
Yeah.
Okay, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. They can't see you, but they can hear you.
Where do they hear me?
When they're watching, they'll hear you online.
Hi.
Okay, so to start, you're going to cut your paper 5 by 5. Mine's already pre-cut.
Is that your video?
Yeah.
What you are doing?
Yeah. And then you're going to line it up. If you see here on the envelope punch board, I'm going to lift this up. You can see it better. I don't know, can you see that? It says card size, so 2 by 3.5, which works out well for the size of the pockets and pocket letters. The paper size is 5 by 5, and you're going to line it up to the score line 2. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're just going to punch. I'm going to take my knife out here. All right,
Your knife?
To, and then score, and then we're going to do the same thing again. So line that up to the score line here. You're not going to line up to 2. It'll be, well, in this case it's 3, but here you're going to line it up to the score line, and then you're going to score again. Line it up to the score line again. Punch. Score. Line it up. Punch. Bye bye. Oops.
Then my 8
You're going in your race car? Alright. So there we have it. So you have your 4 scored lines. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take it, there's a reverse punch on here, and you're gonna punch the corners just to round them off. Like this. Like that. Okay. And then you're going to decide which size you want to be your inside or your outside. It doesn't really matter. In this case, let me see what I have done. I have a whole bunch of them folded already. So let me do, I think I'm going to do the stripes on the outside for this one. So I'm going to fold them in. Now it's up to you, depending on how you want your pockets to pull out of your pocket letter. Whether you do it like a standard envelope, like this, so it opens from the top, or you could also, I think, do it this way, and that would open from this top here, if you're going to be pulling them out of the pocket letters like that. So for this one, I'm actually going to switch and do my pocket letter horizontally as opposed to vertically, so I have my one that I've started here. So I'm going to have them actually pull them out of the pockets like this. I'm going to have my top here, as opposed to having my top up here. So I'm not going to do that for this one. I'm doing an advent calendar, so it's going to have multiple sheets. So I'm going to do it this way, horizontally. And then you're just going to, well, you're going to glue it. Let's do that first. So I'm going to use my fast fuse. So I wouldn't recommend using a snail for this. Either use a Tombow glue or use some tear and tape or fast fuse if you have it. Okay. And then we're going to stick that down like that. Okay. And then you can decorate it and stick it in your pocket. Okay. And then I actually have one that I put stuff in already. So this is an example one that I've made that I've already filled. So this one has a tea bag in it and then some embellishments as well. So you can see they do actually hold what you need it to hold. And then again, you just slide it in your pocket. Okay. And voila. No, this is not for your scrapbook, but this is Mommy's going to send in the mail to somebody.
Who? My neighbor?
Not your neighbor, no. I can't say who it's for. What's that?
Yeah?
No, not Eric.
Who?
So that's it. So those are your envelopes. So for this one, if you're just doing a standard pocket letter, you're just going to do the 9, or maybe even less. Like if you want to do a shaker or whatever, then you wouldn't do 9. For this one, I need to have 24. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, bud. So my next video, I will show you how I'm going to make some little embellishments for the advent calendar part with the dates on it. So we'll do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I bumped my ankle.